Yeah, look at the beautiful weather. We come out kayak fishing. Yeah, just enjoy the day. Okay. Yeah. At first, we check out the fishing gear. Yes, baitcast rod. I bought this one online. Yeah, to match my Daiwa Steez Air TW. Yeah, 500. It's very nice baitcast reel. And this one is right hand. And use P number is 0.4, and the leader is 3 pound. So this one is use the top water. Is Pupa. It's about 4 grams. Yeah, looks beautiful. Okay, so I use another one. It's the same Daiwa. Yeah, real is a Daiwa. Yeah, Steez Air TW. This is right hand. This is right hand, and all the line and P is the same. It's the same. And this one just use Minnow. Yeah, this one, my favorite lure. Okay, let's start fishing. Look at this tree. It looks beautiful. Just cast there. Try everywhere. Okay. Define here. No. Okay. This lure pretty good. It's floating Minnow, so if you stop moving, it will float to the top water. So avoid some slack. Very good. If you find the slack underneath, you can stop moving. It's to the top water. Yeah, right to the top water. Okay. That's good. That's good. Ooh. Okay, it's a fish. Yes, it's good. Yeah. Ooh. It's gone. Australian bass. Yeah, it's a nice bass. It's good. You use Minnow. All good. Thank you. Ooh. Okay, got another one. It's good. Oh, it's a good bass. It's a good Australian bass. Yeah, good size. Looks beautiful. Yeah, it's a good one. Very good bass. Thank you.